here we are again. Can you tell the possible progression of videos that I've had here? Seeing how horribly wet this table is. Strawberry lemon. Let's see how it's doing, shall we? It's been a whole week. Wow, these strawberries look like absolute butts because they were in the freezer for a very long time, so I hope they're okay. They have some freezer burn. I don't like wasting things. We'll see. Okay, we'll see. First off, I'm gonna take a gravity reading. This thing is fizzy. It should be the exact same gravity as the other two, which would be 1.00. Okay. It has only been a week, so there's definitely some fizzy wizzies from the CO2. 1.00, baby. So I'm gonna transfer into this bucket. You might not like how I do it. I'm going to pour the contents of this into here because it's only been a week, okay?
Oh, looks like pee-pee.
You know what? I'm gonna do the lemons first because they're here and why not? So I'm gonna add the juice of 2 lemons. God, okay, move things around again. This is gonna be a good berry extraction here. I don't know, I've put berries in all sorts of ways. You know, sometimes I put them in whole, sometimes I smash them, and I don't know, like, I'm sure that there is a difference in flavor and stuff, but I don't really know like how much necessarily. I mean, certainly the yeast will have an easier time getting to like extracting berries and stuff if you bust the outside of them, because there is like a rather thick cell wall to get through. This is 2 pounds of strawberries, I think. Oh my God, we're at the bottom. Ow, my shoulders. I'm gonna pop that lid on it, stick the airlock in, and call it a day. All right, well, thank you for watching, and just keep watching, because this is just gonna continue on. So, transition time. Pew, pew, pew. Transition time. All right, it's been almost 2 weeks. It's the 3rd of April. Yes, the 3rd of April. And we're gonna rack the strawberries, and we're gonna add some lemon juice as well. Because I'm not sure where my little lemon juicer thing is to like take out the seeds, I'm just gonna squeeze this in here, and then I'm gonna rack it, and then the seeds won't be present anymore because I did not add lemon juice previously. Maybe I should taste it. Oh, of course I didn't make a note. Okay, let's see. I think that 1/2 is good actually. Again, the strawberry flavor is pretty subtle. I guess I did only add 2 pounds of strawberries. I didn't add like 4. So the strawberry's kind of subtle, but it's pleasant. And the strawberry blended with the lemon is a pleasant flavor. It does kind of have a strawberry lemonade look to it. I mean, since I like just squeezed lemon juice in, that's kind of on the front and the strawberries on the back. But it is kind of like a strawberry lemonade. That is pleasant. I think the 2 pounds worked well. Oh, I'm gonna scoop out some of these strawberries because I don't want them to be in the way. And because the flavor of this is so light, if you decide to do something like this, I mean, you could always add more strawberries. Of course, they did get fermented a little bit. So, I mean, you know, that could have something to do with it too, I suppose. But they weren't there for like a hard ferment. It was just like a really subtle one. So, they're like all at the bottom or something. There's a lot more in there than just what I took out. I'm going to go ahead and rack. Uh-oh, let me guess. Stuck strawberry. Strawberries are just like so soft and goopy. Nice, okay. Made it. Voila. So pretty. I wonder if it'll taste any different now that I've like kind of mixed things up a bit. A little bit. There's more strawberry now. Yeah, that is gonna be very kind of light strawberry lemonade-ish, which is more or less what I was aiming for, honestly. I think this one's gonna be really pleasant too. Fingers crossed. Ooh, sorry, I feel like my energy is a little bit lower today. I get migraines, and this is like a 3-day stretch that I'm going on where I've just had one like every day, every morning. So I'm just tired. But today was a planned brewing day. I really needed to take care of these meads, so I shot these videos anyway. All right. So this is going to sit for, I don't know, however long it takes to clear. I just want it to settle out, and then I'm gonna bottle it. So pretty excited to see how this turns out. I feel like the strawberry, I mean, we'll see how quickly the flavors get good. I don't know. Because I feel like with my strawberry mead, it took like 4 months for the strawberry flavor to change from this like fermented flavor to like a jam flavor, for it to really develop. I'm interested to see what happens with the session meads. I don't know. And of course this is gonna be sparkling, so we'll see how the flavors change with that as well. All right, well, thank you so much for watching, appreciate it. And I will see you next time on bottling day. Bye.